Yeah, so I'm Joe McFadries. I'm the publisher and editor of the National Collision Repairer magazine, and I've been engaged by the AAA to put together the collision repair program for AUTOCARE. We have 3 keynote speakers across the 2 days. We have Nikki Gerling from Bosch, who will talk about the future of mobility. We have Jason Bartanen from AUTOCARE, who will talk about the exotic materials used in vehicles and the impact on collision repair. And then we have Steve O'Brien from DNS Technology, who will speak about the business of running a professional body shop. And in addition, we have 6 workshops where subject matter experts engage with the audience and cover topics such as advanced driver assistance systems, the choice of repairer, the changing nature of the materials used in automotive construction, and of course the challenge of attracting and retaining young talent for the future. We'll cover a range of topics that are very specific to the collision repair industry today, and more importantly, the collision repair industry of the future. It's absolutely critical that you be there.